Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Buff lightweight merino wool buff, it's called. Up here we can see lightweight merino wool multifunctional headwear for adults. That's me. Company is called Buff, but nowadays, because it's kind of become a synonym for these kind of headwear, which is a buff. It's lightweight because it's not very thick, but still it's kind of a longer thing, so you can really use it as a scarf as well, and not just as a headband. And you can use it for all these different purposes: for a hat, a headband, for a scarf, as a face mask as well, if you are in a desert, for example. So yeah, let's look at the back. It's kind of weirdly squished into here. This packaging is pretty funny. And yeah, it's made by Merino wool, as we can see here. Was made in Barcelona, Spain. And yeah, it's made for, and you can see that here, for cool weather conditions. So not for cold or for wind, but just for general cool, I would say. On here on the package we can see, if my camera focuses, it says microclimate control, odor resistant, natural stretch, and moisture management. Those are just a few benefits from using merino wool. Merino wool is very odor resistant, and yeah. So let's get into the product without talking more. I have to try and get this from this cardboard. It's not so easy with one hand. I might need to get an assistant to help me out with this. Looks kind of like a mouth. Someone being unhappy about me taking away the buff. And this is the last part. Let me get this out. Here we go. Now let me stretch this out. So as you can see, this is a very long buff, or a very long, like a normal long buff, but there are shorter ones and longer ones, and this one is fairly long, to be fair. I think it's still inside out because the thing is here, so I'm gonna change that after. It feels very soft, to be honest. I'm very happy about that. Inside and outside, both very, very soft, and it is very thin, so it doesn't weigh much, and you can like put it together and basically put it anywhere. It's like the size of a fist, and if you fold it a bit more properly, you can put it anywhere, like in your book compartment of your backpack, and you won't even know it's there. Yeah, I'm gonna try this buff out when I go travel, and I hope I can give another review about it sometime in the future. Alright, well, this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Hope you have an amazing day, and bye bye.